Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can cancel your Hedra subscription. In order to do so, here we are at Hedra.com, and what we want to do is on the left-hand side in the main menu, down at the bottom, you will see where your profile icon is. It's kind of this rectangle here. If we click on that, then you can see we have our settings. Let's go ahead and click on settings. Then from here, we want to head to billing. And then from here, you can see that in order to cancel your subscription, all you need to do is just click the cancel button there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.